4 on her plate. Sophia Swan, 4 on a plate. Okay. Gate drops down. Looks like Leland's got the hole shot. It's Leland, Boynton, Swan Coucher. Boynton takes the front spot. Boynton, Leland, Coucher, Swan. And our rider, we have a rider down, Swan. Check her out. That's Boynton, Leland, Coucher, 1, 2, and 3. Let's check on our down rider. That's Sophia Swan. Looks like Noah Boynton will transfer out of this one. And just give us a moment. Let's hear it for Sophia Swan. And that was an 11-year-old, 13-year-old mixed there.